Good job. Ooh, that looks like a purse. Is that a purse?
Sure.
Yeah, good job. Uh-huh, are you gonna walk around with that?
Well, we gotta see what's inside of it.
Well, first we gotta walk around with it, Grandma.
Here, can we open it?
Gotta do the stuff
Ooh! Here, can we open it?
later. Oh,
Let's open it. Gotta open the zipper. Here, can we open? Open! Oh! What's in there? Is that a little pony? I'll put it back in. See, that's our fancy when we go bye-bye.
Oh,
We
yes.
have a fancy purse.
And a little
Got
pony to play with.
Pony. Mommy used to have a little pony like that.
Alexis, can you show us your new kitchen? Can you show us your new kitchen? No? Okay. Merry Christmas, sunshine.